Skiers often debate whether they should ski something with their toe locked or their toe unlocked in tech bindings. The ion binding can be confidently skied in way more situations than most tech bindings due to its superior retention. And instead of having to answer that question, most of the time you do not need to lock out your binding. Due to the improved toe jaw dynamics, the ion takes a lot more energy to cause a pre-release, which has historically been a big problem. And that's why you don't need to have this bad habit of locking out your release mode. When is it appropriate to ski something with a locked out toe? Usually it's a combination of two things: snow conditions and the consequences of losing a ski. So to put that into the real world, if you're chattering on hard snow, or you're skiing something with a lot of exposure, big cliffs below you, or a situation where having a release is more dangerous than actually staying in your binding, that's your decision-making metric for whether you're going to lock it out or not. So when you're not in exposed situations, pounding super hard snow, but you're still skiing free ride or on soft snow or pushing it super hard, the ion's there for you. You should curb that habit of constantly locking out your toe. Because of the ability to absorb energy, the ion will perform consistently at the release value you set it at. So if you're not skiing in a super exposed situation, just ski the ion, let it do its thing, don't lock it out, just be out there and enjoy your day.